Hello diecasters. Welcome to Little Cars 64 channel. Today, let's see Hot Wheels Honda Civic EG from 2022 Honda Civic Series. The base and wheels are plastic, and the wheels rolls perfectly. The color is iconic, similar to the real car. So, without further ado, let's see it on turntable. It has headlights details, side details, tail light details. The only con, it has only no grille details. But it is okay for basic series. Without doubts, this one is the best from 2022 basic series. No decals on the top, but you can see the sunroof there. The white rims at the wheels match to the green color nicely. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.